Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 1 on mobile. We'll dive into the best ways to bring this classic Western adventure to your smartphone or tablet, ensuring you can enjoy John Marston's journey wherever you are. Our focus will be on practical, accessible methods that deliver a great gaming experience. Get ready to transform your mobile device into a portable console for this epic title. Cloud streaming services are your primary gateway to playing Red Dead Redemption 1 on mobile. These platforms run the game on powerful servers in the cloud, then stream the video and audio directly to your phone or tablet. Your device simply acts as a display and input method. This means you don't need a super powerful phone, just a strong internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, for a smooth, lag-free experience. To get started, first select a cloud gaming service that supports Red Dead Redemption 1. Once you've chosen, download their dedicated app from your device's app store. Next, pair a compatible Bluetooth controller, as touch controls are often less ideal for complex console games. Finally, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network, preferably a 5 GHz connection, to minimize latency and ensure the best possible visual quality during your gameplay session. As an alternative, if you own a PlayStation 3 or Xbox 360 console and the game, you can explore Remote Play. This method streams the game directly from your console to your mobile device over your home network. You'll need to set up the Remote Play feature on your console and download the corresponding app to your phone. While it offers direct access to your own games, it relies heavily on your home network's stability and proximity to the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.